welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you all how I made this ginger and lemon tea. Okay, ginger and lemon tea has numerous health benefits that you wouldn't want to miss. Please stick around, let me show you the process. Okay, I would also suggest you do your research to gain insight about ginger and lemon tea. We're using few amounts of ginger roots. Again, we're going to use about 6 pieces of lemon. I'll go ahead and wash the ginger thoroughly. I'm going to be sprinkling a little bit of salt to wash this carefully. Ginger contains gingerol and also one of the best spices on the planet. Ginger has numerous health benefits due to its anti-inflammatory and other properties. Here I'm peeling the ginger skin and I'll continue to do so until we are done. If you're new here, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Please feel free to follow my page, share my videos, and I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. After this, we are going to go ahead and wash the lemon, and we're using about 6 lemons for this. I'm making a big quantity of ginger and lemon drink, so you might choose to use less when you're doing yours. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and blend the ginger, and I'll do this batch by batch. Add water to the blender for easy blending, and I'll start blending. In a clean pot, I'm going to pour this blended ginger. After this, I'm going to rinse the blender. Blending the remainder of the ginger. You don't have to blend yours. You can go ahead and cut yours into chunks. That's totally up to you. Rinse as well. We're adding lots of water. Remember, we are making big pots of ginger and lemon tea. We're going to cover the pot and bring to a boil. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I'm slicing the washed lemon. Again, lemon has numerous health benefits for the body and also an immune booster. After a few minutes, we're going to be adding the lemon into the ginger water. And we're going to allow this to simmer for more 5 minutes. Lemon contains significant amount of vitamin C. Ginger and lemon tea are good as a cold remedy. It helps with cough and a lot more. At this point, everything is well incorporated, and we're going to put this aside. Let it sit for about a few minutes. Stir and mix everything together. Strain and remove ginger particles as well as lemon pieces. With the help of this wooden spatula, I'm going to be pressing this a little bit more. Adding a bit of pressure, while doing this. I'll just continue to do this until I feel like I've removed 95% of the water. Just repeating the same process. If you're watching and you have not followed my page, please do well and follow my page so you can get instant notifications each time I post a new video. Also, share my videos. Thank you. You can see the lemon. So that is it. I'm just going to strain this one more time. Adding honey. In all, I added about 6 tablespoons of honey. Stir and mix everything together. So now I'm going to transfer this into the jug. So this is the end part of this video. Each time I want to take mine, I make sure I dilute it with water. For a cold weather, I take mine once a day and half a glass as well. I later transferred into a flask and also refrigerated the rest. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it as much as I do enjoy it. Please don't forget to share my videos and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.